Far beyond the clouds, where the earth touches the sky, lies a path carved by legends. A trail not just of footsteps, but of dreams. This is the Everest Base Camp Trek. And if you've ever imagined standing in the shadows of giants, this is your guide to taking that very first step. Why trek to Everest Base Camp? Everest Base Camp, or EBC, is more than just a destination. It's a journey that tests your will, awakens your soul, and offers an unmatched reward, standing face to face with the tallest mountain on Earth. But this trek isn't just for elite mountaineers, it's for you, the curious, the determined, the dreamers. You'll hike through ancient Sherpa villages, cross rickety suspension bridges, and walk beside glaciers older than memory. Every step, a story. Every breath, a victory. When to go? Timing matters when the mountains decide the rules. The best time to trek is during spring, from March to May, when the trails bloom with wild rhododendrons and the skies unveil the peaks in crystal clarity. Autumn, from September to November, is equally stunning. The monsoons have passed, the air is clean, and visibility is at its best. Avoid the monsoon season unless you enjoy slippery trails, landslides, and thick fog. And if you're not a fan of freezing nights and snow-blocked paths, skip the deep winter months too. Getting there. Your journey begins with a flight to Lukla Airport, often called the most dangerous airport in the world. A short, dramatic landing on a narrow strip perched between cliffs, and suddenly, you're in the Khumbu region, heartland of the Himalayas. From here, the trail unfolds, Lukla to Phakding, easing into the rhythm, Namche Bazaar, your gateway to the Everest region, Tengboshe Monastery, spiritual peace at altitude, Dingboshe, Lobushe, and finally Gorak Shep, the last outpost before base camp. Every day brings altitude, awe, and unforgettable moments. What to pack? In the mountains, what you carry carries you. Here's what you must pack. Trekking boots, sturdy, waterproof, and well broken in. Layered clothing, base layers, a warm fleece, down jacket, and waterproof shell. Thermal gloves, beanies, and wool socks. Temperatures can plummet fast. Reusable water bottles or hydration packs, and purification tablets or a filter. Sunglasses and sunscreen. The sun at altitude is fierce. A sleeping bag rated for at least 10 degrees Celsius. Basic first aid kit and personal medications. And if you plan to use a porter, pack light. 10-12 kilograms is ideal. Training and fitness. Think you need to be super fit? You don't. But preparation is key. Start training at least 2 to 3 months in advance. Focus on endurance, long hikes, jogging, or even stair climbing with a backpack. Get used to walking for hours at a time, day after day, and practice with a weighted pack. Your body will thank you on the trail. Costs and permits. So, how much will it cost? On average, $150 to $200 for round-trip flights from Kathmandu to Lukla, around $50 to $60 for trekking permits, $25 to $35 a day for food, tea house lodging, and Wi-Fi hiring a guide or porter. Add $25 to $40 per day you'll need. The Sagarmatha National Park permit and the Khumbu Rural Municipality permit. Most permits can be arranged in Kathmandu or through your trekking company. Quick tips for a safe and successful trek. Before you go, remember these essential tips. Always start your hike early. Weather is best in the morning. Walk slow, steady, and listen to your body. Carry snacks. Energy is everything. Don't litter. Respect the mountains and the people who call them home. And finally, enjoy the journey. The destination is only part of the magic. Reaching Everest Base Camp is not just a trek, it's a transformation. You'll leave the trail with tired legs, but a stronger spirit, with frozen fingers, but a heart full of fire. Because somewhere between the forests and the glaciers, between challenge and triumph, you'll discover something unforgettable. You. Subscribe to Nature Active for more mystery-filled journeys into Earth's most forbidden places.